Why do sauces turn silky? Why do jellies hold their shape? And why does gluten-free bread stay soft instead of crumbling apart? These are the questions food journalists ask me constantly, and all of them come down to one family of ingredients we rarely notice: hydrocolloids, the thickeners and gelling agents that quietly shape modern food.
These ingredients, xanthan gum, agar-agar, pectin, guar gum, aren't just added for convenience. They're the architecture of texture, the invisible scaffolding behind creamy dressings, smooth soups, chewy gummies, and velvety dairy alternatives.
Hydrocolloids are older than most people realize. Ancient Egyptians used agar-agar to solidify foods. The Greeks and Romans cooked with plant gums like gum arabic. Pectin, now essential for jams, was already being extracted from apples in the 1700s. And in the 1960s, USDA scientists discovered xanthan gum, which went on to transform everything from salad dressing to gluten-free baking. What began as simple plant exudates and seaweed extracts has grown into a highly refined toolkit for both chefs and manufacturers.
Imagine walking into a supermarket with no gums, no pectin, no agar.
Plant-based milks? They separate into layers within minutes.
Salad dressing? Oil on top, water on bottom. Shake every time. Ice cream? Thin, icy, quick to melt. Gluten-free bread? Dry, crumbly, barely holding its shape. Gummies and jams? More like syrup than gel.
Hydrocolloids regulate water, control texture, stabilize emulsions, and prevent ice crystals. Without them, food quality collapses.
At the molecular level, hydrocolloids are long chains, polysaccharides or proteins, that bind water and form networks. Xanthan gum creates a three-dimensional lattice that thickens liquids even in tiny amounts. Pectin forms gels when mixed with sugar and acid. Agar-agar solidifies when heated and cooled, making it ideal for vegan jellies and desserts.
These ingredients let us tune the feel of food: softer, firmer, bouncier, creamier, whatever the recipe needs.
Texture doesn't just influence mouthfeel, it influences flavor perception. A smooth yogurt tastes richer. A stable emulsion tastes brighter. A gummy bear with the right elasticity tastes more satisfying. Media coverage has dramatically changed how consumers view these ingredients. As the clean label movement grew, people began asking, what's really in my food? Is this ingredient natural? Is it safe for digestion?
Journalists highlighted agar-agar as a vegan alternative to gelatin. Newsweek, Fox News Digital, Homes and Gardens, many outlets explained why gums are essential in plant-based milks, gluten-free baking, and dairy-free products. This made hydrocolloids not just technical tools, but cultural ingredients, part of the conversation about ethics, sustainability, and food transparency. No hydrocolloid sparks more debate than carrageenan.
Some headlines warn about digestive irritation. Others note that food-grade carrageenan has been repeatedly declared safe by the FDA and EFSA. The truth is simple. There are two forms. Only one is approved for food, and toxicity concerns apply to the degraded form, not the one used in products. Still, the conversation reflects a larger question. How much should we rely on additives, even natural ones?
Journalists are often surprised when I explain that hydrocolloids aren't just food ingredients. They're essential in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and personal caregiving lotions. They're body, stabilizing cough syrups, shaping gels and tablets.
Their ability to hold water, stabilize mixtures, and create structure makes them indispensable far beyond the dinner table. The hydrocolloids market is booming, driven by plant-based diets, gluten-free innovation, clean labels, and functional foods. It's projected to reach nearly $14 billion in 2025 and over $22 billion by 2034.
Natural hydrocolloids, especially seaweed, and fruit-derived, will dominate this growth as consumers seek familiar, sustainable ingredients. There is a limit. Too much thickener can create rubbery textures, excessive gumminess, or digestive discomfort, especially with heavy carrageenan or guar gum use.
The modern challenge is balance. Use enough to create stability and quality, but not so much that food feels engineered or artificial. Hydrocolloids don't get headlines, but they shape nearly everything we eat. They create the textures we love, stabilize the foods we rely on, and support the plant-based and gluten-free movement that defines modern eating. They are the unsung architects of food, and understanding them helps us appreciate both the science and the craft that make everyday food enjoyable.
Curious to learn more about how everyday ingredients can change the way you experience food? In my book, The Food Questions America is Asking, I dive deeper into the science behind your favorite flavors. Get your copy today and discover the chemistry that's already happening in your kitchen.